Hello mga lalabs! Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano magluto ng isang stir-fry tofu recipe. Gawin natin espesyal ang isang sampling tofu. This is budget-friendly, napakadaling lutuin with this easy steps and simple ingredients. So let's go guys, magluluto na tayo. But before that, intro muna tayo guys. So, stir-fry tofu in oyster sauce. How to cook this? Of course, we need to gather the ingredients first. So, ang ating ingredients ay simple lamang. Ito, tofu, cut into cubes. We need tofu or tukwa. Then, gagayatin natin siya ng cube size. Ganyan. And of course, we need also oyster sauce. And of course, we need onion. Dahil gigisa natin yung ating tofu. All we need also is oil for frying and sauteing our tofu recipe. Of course, we need also sugar for the sweetness ng ating stir-fry tofu. And of course, we need green chili for extra spice sa ating stir-fry tofu. And of course, garlic. Dahil gigisa natin muna to. Yan, then, ayan. For the preparation on how to cook our stir-fry tofu. So of course, we need to fry the tofu until golden brown. Ayan. Piprito muna natin yung tofu natin hanggang maging brown siya, both sides. Ayan, piprito natin. Ganyan. Fry the tofu until golden brown. At pagkatapos, yung ganyan na yung kulay niya, nagba-brown na siya. Ngayon guys, ipiprito muna natin yung ating tofu. Then after that, set aside our tofu. Then, in a pan, magigisa muna tayo. Ayan, magpapainit muna tayo ng mantika. Sa isang kawali, magpapainit tayo ng mantika. Okay, set aside muna natin yung ating tupong pinirito. Ngayon, magigisa tayo. Ayan. We'll saute the garlic. We'll saute garlic and onion. Nagigisa natin yung ating garlic at saka yung ating onion. Then after that, isusunod na natin yung ating green chili. Yan, para may may extra anghang, may spice na may spice yung ating stir-fry tofu. Yan. So let's add our green chili, guys. Yan, ganun. So, magtira tayo ng konti para sa garnish. Iga-garnish natin mamaya pagkaluto na ng ating stir-fry tofu. Magtitira tayo ng konting green chili for the toppings. Pero kung gusto nyo, guys, pwede din kayo maglagay ng ibang toppings, mag-garnish ng like sesame seeds, like that, spring onions, as a substitute nyo sa sa green chili. But for me, I like green chili. So, nagtira ako ng kunting green chili. Then after that, we will add our oyster sauce. Yun. Ayan, natin, igigisa natin ang oyster sauce natin kasama yung ating mga spices. Then, ilalagay na natin yung ating tofu, guys. Ayan. Let's add our tofu. Then, we will simmer it for a few minutes. Kaya luto na rin naman yung ating tofu. So, igisa lang natin siya ng ilang minuto para mag-absorb yung ating sauce, yung oyster sauce natin. Then after that, we'll add some sugars. Yan, mag-add lang tayo ng kunting sugar, guys, for the extra sweetness. Then simmer it for a few minutes again. Ayan, kunti lang, guys, ilang minuto lang siya dahil luto na din naman yung ating tofu. So ayan, once na nag-absorb na yung ating oyster sauce, yung ating sauce sa ating tofu, ayan, pwede na nating patayin yung apoy. So ayan, we need to turn up the heat kasi luto na po yung ating stir-fry tofu. Yan, patayin na natin yung apoy, then pwede na natin i-serve. Napakasarap to, guys, at saka madali lang siyang lutuin. Simple lang yung mga ingredients niya, mura lang, since mura din naman yung tofu. At saka healthy recipe siya, guys. Napaka-healthy dahil ang tofu ay made of soya. Then, as a substitute na din sa pork. Huwag na lang na puro baboy, puro karne. I-try nyo to, guys. Napakasarap with a blend of sweetness and spiciness. Napakadaling lutuin. Easy to cook and budget friendly. So, I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa aking video. Please don't forget to like, share, comments, and subscribe. At pakiclick na rin po yung aking notification bell para updated kayo sa aking upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. So, ayan, guys, before I end this video, shoutout po pala muna sa aking mga members dyan na naka-featured sa baba. So, ayan, shoutout to Miss Group Survive. Thank you so much, Miss Group, for the love and support always. To Mr. Loxer TV Vlogs, Miguel shoutout. Abel Vlogs TV, RE66 TV, Bombay 75 Vlogs, Falcor Diva Channel, Habiba Guma Channel, Francis Cafe Official, thank you so much. Ayun, sa kay Archilica po Vlogs 22, thank you so much. Dujas Allotment Specialist, thank you so much for the membership. Benji Gonzalez, Jocelyn TV Vlog, Alhia Smile, and also to Miss Caroline Garner 6. Thank you so much for your love and support. So ayun, guys, subscribe na din sila, guys, kasi napaka-supportive ng mga yan. So again, thank you so much, and God bless us all. More power!